Koller 15 tons per day direct cooling ice block machine DK150 operation guidance. Water-cooled condenser. Water pipes connected to condenser water inlet and outlet. Inner electrical control box. Connect the power supply. Connect the main power supply. After getting through the power, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the breaker control switch to preheat the compressor for 24 hours. Press the ice bed up, down button on the screen to enter the ice bed controlling page. Press the auto up on button, ice bed going up automatically. Add water into the ice molds. Cover the blanket above the ice molds. Preheat 24 hours later. Turn on the control switches. The screen shows, already prepared to start the machine. Press the Make Ice On button to start the machine, the indicator light on. The screen shows, making ice. Voltmeter and ampermeter value change. High and low pressure value change. The thermostat on the electrical box shows the current temperature of the water inside the ice mold. The making ice time will show on the screen. When the making ice time reach to the setting time 400 minutes, the machine stop automatically. The screen shows ice making finished. Please harvest ice after waiting for 40 minutes. Wait for 40 minutes later, press the ice discharge button to start harvesting ice. The harvest ice indicator light on, the screen shows ice is defrosting. About 10 minutes later, press the auto down on for 3 seconds and then press the auto down off. The ice bed dropped down a little, the block ice will separate from the ice molds and dropped onto the ice bed. When the harvesting ice time reached to the setting time 30 minutes, the machine will stop harvesting ice automatically. If all the block ice are separated from the ice molds and dropped onto the ice bed before the time reached to the setting time, you can press the Harvest Ice Off button to stop harvesting ice. Rotate the ice bed up, down, button or press the auto down on the screen to down the ice bed. Ice bed going down automatically with the ice on it. 25 kilograms block ice. Turn off the control switches to stop running the machine. Thank you for using Koller Ice Machine. Bye bye.